Looking for a budget headphone under 20 bucks for the audio monitoring, you cannot go wrong with the Samson SR350. It comes with 1.8 or 3.5 millimeter audio jack with a quarter-inch adapter. Again, this is a over-the-ear stereo headphone. It's really worth the money. Let's find out. Let's jump to the unboxing table of it. Click the like button. So now here is the Samsung SR350 headphone unboxing. I'm really very much excited for it. Let me open it for you. Here we go. Okay. Are you excited for it? I'm indeed very much excited. And now let me take out the first impression. The build quality is quite good. It also comes with this one you use for with the preamp or a recorder which require a quarter-inch audio jack. The first impression, the build quality is quite good. Let me be honest with you, the build quality seems quite good. I mean, for less than 20 bucks, what else you can get? Let me put on my head and then will give you my opinion. So here are the headphone. Let me put inside. One thing I noticed, the cushion is really very easy to come off. Yes, the cushion very easily come off. Is quite, I mean, pain. Okay, it's quite comfortable. Let me be honest with you, it's quite comfortable. Let me plug in and play something. Okay. The audio quality is quite good. I'm honest with you here. The audio quality is quite good. You need to be the judge. How good I look. You need to be the judge. How good I look. Yeah. To be honest with you, it seems quite fine to me. You be the judge. Should you buy? I mean, for 20 bucks, definitely yes. But the cushion easily come up. Remember, the cushion easily come up. So I'm warning you. Yeah. Subscribe and bye.